Is this realistic? To achieve a high volume of orders, it is essential to have a user-friendly store with clear product descriptions and pricing information. Customers should be able to easily browse and search for their desired games and complete the checkout process with minimal effort. And that's exactly what we designed, so yes, it's realistic. But how do the customers who buy the game rate the store design and the order processing? The average Trustpilot rating for the game shops that we care of is an impressive 4 out of 5 stars. Satisfied customers have taken the time to write long reviews such as brilliant, responsible prices for programs and games. Installing and activating programs is very easy. I've been looking for a Norwegian store like this for a long time. Order reviews rave about the fast delivery and how smoothly the process went. And in this video I show you how you can get these notifications and get the best possible customer ratings. Hello everyone, I am Nick from 4Gamer Shop. Before we start spawning, I want to explain everything to you step by step, so you can follow me throughout the video. With the spawner, it has become possible to create an entire game shop in a few clicks. This game shop is fully functional. As you can see here, the shop spawner has automatically imported various products, such as games, gift cards and software, with product titles, description, product images and with the default price settings. But that's not all. This shop is also compatible for mobile and tablet devices, and the best thing is that the whole order processing is automated. Here I show you how the ordering process looks like. This is your customer's point of view. So he looks for the product he wants to buy. He chooses the product here. If the customer has a coupon code, he can enter it here. In our case, we don't have a coupon code, so we click on Proceed to Checkout. Now the customer only has to enter his name and email address here, and then click on Agree. After everything has been entered, the customer only has to click on Place Order and will receive their order by email within minutes. And as you can see, the order details are also shown here. In the email inbox, we can already see the product that we have ordered. I can now redeem this code on Steam. From your point of view as an entrepreneur, you can see in the back end that the order has been successfully received by the customer. Now I will show you how to spawn your shop. Let's get started. Select your desired shop color, upload your preferred logo and give your shop a name. Then enter your admin username and password for the backend. Remember to save your data in a notepad file or a password manager for future reference. Once you're done, click on Continue to proceed. You saw how easy it is. So are you ready to take your online sales to the next level? With the shop spawner, you can easily create a professional online shop with just a few clicks. Import thousands of games, software and gift cards with their corresponding categories, images and descriptions and set your prices easily. The best part? The shop spawner is automatically connected to H4G.io, making order processing a breeze. Our automation features save you time and money while increasing your revenue potential, so why wait? Try the shop spawner on our website now and start growing your online business today. After you have received the spawner, you can continue watching the video from here to set up your shop successfully. Spawner works with DigitalOcean, a leading server provider that offers reliable and scalable root servers available 24/7. With DigitalOcean, you can easily rent a powerful server to host your game shop, ensuring that it stays online and is accessible to customers around the globe. So you will need a DigitalOcean account which you can easily create on their website. We will skip over the account creation step in this video to keep things moving along. To establish a connection between the spawner and DigitalOcean, we need an API key. Just follow the steps. Click on Generate New Token and enter your preferred token name. Remember to set the expiration to no expire and to give the read and write permission. Click on the API token to copy it to the clipboard. Now add the API token in the spawner and then click on the continue button. SpannerWP is a deployment platform that sets up a perfect service architecture in an uncomplicated manner. We use this for the spawner. Create an account on this website and generate an API token too. Again, we skip creating the account, there's currently a free period. Let's get the SpannerWP API key. Click on Generate New Token. Make sure you also give read and write permissions for the token here. Click on the API token to copy it to the clipboard again. Add the API token into the input field at the spawner and then click on the continue button to proceed. Now select the server location. Select this consciously. It is best to have the server as close to a customer as possible. That's why I choose Central Europe and Germany, Frankfurt. The server size should be at least 2 GB RAM and 2 CPU cores so that everything runs smoothly. You can change the server size later via DigitalOcean at any time. However, this size should never be smaller than 2 GB RAM and 2 CPU cores. The server costs are raised monthly and are to be paid to DigitalOcean. Now write down the root password of your MySQL server and click on the continue button to proceed. Your server will now be created. This takes 10 to 20 minutes. Don't close the spawner tool in the meantime. I jump straight to the next step so the video doesn't get too long. In order for your shop to be accessible via the internet, it is necessary to own a domain. If you don't have a domain yet, you can buy it from a provider of your choice. If you have no idea how to buy a domain, check the video in the description. We made a video on how to easily buy a domain at namecheap.com. If you already own a domain, then enter your top level domain in the upper field and the subdomain with www in the lower field. In my case, 4gamers.shop is the top level domain and www.4gamers.shop is the subdomain. Then click on the continue button. Now you have to make entries in a DNS server of your domain provider. At Amazon Web Services it works this way. Firstly, copy your server IP address, then create a new DNS record, set the TLL to 60 seconds. Repeat the setup for your top level and subdomain. Once it's done, wait 60 seconds before clicking on the I've updated the DNS records button. When you're done waiting, click the button. If the message "Success DNS been verified" appears below, you have done everything correctly. Otherwise, check your DNS settings or wait a few minutes longer and then verify your entry again by clicking on a button that appears at the bottom right. Now copy the username, password and database name again into a notepad file or into your password manager. Once it's done, click on the continue button again. Here we don't need to make any changes. Just click on the continue button again. Here you can check your setting. Normally everything should already be set correctly. Therefore, you can simply click on the confirm button and your shop will now be installed on the server. You can also install multiple shops on the one server. In order to achieve the best result, we recommend installing only one shop per server. This allows you to better manage server resources per shop. It takes about 5 to 10 minutes for the shop to be fully installed. In order to manage the H4GIO automation solution for your shop, you now have the option of navigating to the dashboard. There you can activate the synchronization of prices and stocks. This is then carried out automatically every fall. You can now make further settings in the control dashboard. However, these have already been made for you automatically by the spawner. As you can see, 649 products have already been loaded into the cache. The cache is there so that H4GIO knows where the products are in the shop. You can imagine it like the parking space in the warehouse. The profit was automatically set to €5 per sale. In the price controller, you can customize the price settings more individually. You can find more information in the documentation, but also on our YouTube channel. The email client was automatically set to default. This means that your customer receive their orders via the H4GIO mail server. You can also send emails from your domain using custom SMTP settings. You can find more information about this in the documentation and on our channel. As you can see, your logo was added automatically to the mail template. This is how the shop looks like once it's fully installed. There's dark mode and the shop has also been optimized for mobile devices. Your shop is connected to Kinguin via H4GIO, which means that when a product is ordered, the order is automatically forwarded to Kinguin. You can read more about this at H4GIO in the documentation under suppliers. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. I would appreciate a nice rating, and if you have any questions about the video, you can ask them in the comments. Have fun with the shop spawner. See you in the next video.